Now to the solution, the way forward. What can we do? How can we move on from here? Don't forget, we have been talking about this important topic. Who should be blamed for the children's inability to speak their native language? And I hope I meet you well. It's Adola here again, and today I want to talk about few solutions, few things that we can do to move on. I believe that it is better to focus more on solutions. What can we do? How can we move on? When we know the source of the problem, when we know our mistakes, when we know what we have done wrong, I believe it is better to move on, to look for solutions, to look for way out. How can we right our wrongs? How can we become better and better? How can we move on from here? Helping your child or your children to be able to speak their native language, or helping yourself as an adult to speak your native language. Don't forget that your language is your identity. Oda, so let's look at these few solutions together. Number one, I believe speaking the language with your children, communicating with them every day, making it a daily habit will go a long way. It doesn't matter if they are still young or if they are grown, it does not matter. We can still achieve it. You can start now. You can start now. It is never too late. It is never too late. You can start today. So using the language every single day. If it is just one word a day, if it is just one sentence a day, if it is two sentences, little by little effort counts. Every effort, every single effort counts. So you want to make sure to use the language every single day, making it a daily habit. Before you know it, it will become part of the children. Now for parents, before you know it, it will become part of them. So use the language every single day. Even if they are still learning, every single day. Number two, you can take them to places where the Yoruba language is spoken freely, where they can listen to cultural folk tales in Yoruba language. I'm using Yoruba language for example because I'm a Yoruba and I'm a Yoruba teacher. So you want to take them to places like this, where they will listen to people using the language, where they can listen to cultural folk tales, stories, our own histories. You can also take them to places like museums, where they will see different artifacts, where they will listen to beautiful stories. Recently, I was talking to someone about the story of Moremi. And we're just discussing and then we're just talking about how many of us, we don't really know these stories. Some people don't even know the history of Oduduwa. Some people don't know who Oduduwa is. We don't know a lot of things that we need to know. A whole lot of things that we need to learn and know about. It is very good to learn about other people's history, other people's story, but how about our own? What belongs to us? We are Yoruba, we are Africans, we are Black. What belongs to us? How about our own? How about learning about our own history? Knowing more about who we are. I believe this will help a lot. Another one is that you want to encourage them to watch cartoons in that native language. For example, in Yoruba language, children love cartoons. And also music. I want to encourage them to listen to music in the native language, in Yoruba language, and trying to sing along, even if it is just one line. And you want to try as much as possible to explain the meaning of the song to them. We learn very, very well we learn easily with music. Oda. Another thing I feel parents can do is to teach them how to write or read in Yoruba language. I know that sometimes you may be busy, work, everything. I understand. And that is why Yoruba Lemi is always here for you to help out. So you want to have a good tutor like Yoruba Lemi to handle their Yoruba language classes. You can register your children with us today to learn the best way, the easiest way. On the flip side, for adults, what can we do? How do we move on from here? Now we know there is a problem and now we are looking for solution. What do we do? You also want to try as much as possible. You can now make decisions for yourself. You can now, it is by yourself and by yourself now. So I believe learning will go a long way. You can learn with Yoruba Lemi when you learn the best way, the easiest way. And also try to practice every day. One word at a time. One sentence at a time. One class at a time. After learning, you want to try as much as possible to practice. It is very important. As you are learning, you are making use of it. As you are learning, I have learned this. I'm making use of that so that I will not forget. You learn, you make use of it, you practice. You can also try as much as possible to watch, videos, short videos or YouTube videos that talks more about the Yoruba language and culture, or that teaches little phrases, little proverbs, words, sentences in Yoruba language. All these efforts will come together and become something. Before you know it, you are progressing. Before you know it, you are, speaking the language little by little. Every effort counts. Every effort counts. And I strongly believe that all this will work out. Benny, try them and see. Order. And again, on the 6th of December 2025, Saturday, the 6th of December 2025, by 7 p.m. Nigerian time, 1 p.m. Eastern time, we shall be gathering together to learn and know more about our heritage. Join us for our General Yoruba Cultural Class. It's going to be amazing. We are going to be learning a whole lot. And this time around, we have a guest. We'll be learning more about the Yoruba language and culture from Arojinle. Register now. Register today. And I would love to see you there. It's another time. It's another moment, to know more. It's another moment to preserve our heritage. It's another moment to celebrate the Yoruba language and culture. It's another moment to appreciate who we are. We are great. Benny, we are great people. We are blessed by Olodumare. Register now. Register via the link in my bio. And I'd love to see you there. Until I come your way again, I remain Adumola Abosede Shoko. And I am Yoruba. I'm proudly so. I'm originally so. I'm authentically so. I'm beautifully so. Powerfully so. Till I come your way again, I wish you goodness. Bye.